Like I said in the beginning of the video, I wanted to quick do a rundown of our toilet for you since we are building out a new one and thinking about the features and if we need to change anything or want anything different on our new van, and the answer is no, absolutely not. Since we are in the process of building out our second van, we wanted to show you guys a hack that we used on our AIR HEAD toilet. We're going to keep the same toilet itself because we really like the AIR HEAD. We've had both the Nature's Head and the AIR HEAD, and what we like about this one is this tank is easier, the urine tank is easier to remove. But what we did, instead of drilling a hole through the bottom of the van itself, we actually went through a hole, an existing hole in between the outside wall of the van, and then there's a panel on the inside wall. So let me show you what that looks like here. So this is the setup here, and it went through the inside of the wall, and let me show you what that looks like. This is what this looks like when you take this off. We cut a piece of plastic to hold the actual rubber ring in place, and then the actual vent fan itself. But what we did was we drilled a hole in between the outside of the van and the shell of the van here, down at the base, just above where a hole already exists in the bottom of the van. And so I will go underneath the van and show you what that looks like from underneath. So you can see where the fan tube comes out from above. This is underneath the van. There was already an existing hole there, so that was really convenient. So we didn't have to put it through the floor of the van. We just put it through, again, the shell in between the inside and the outside of the van, and that way it was better and not to drill a hole up in there. The fan on the AIR HEAD toilet, we find it to be much better than the one on the Nature's Head. The problem with the Nature Head one is the fan actually would sit within the toilet itself. So it would sit within here, and then it would constantly get clogged with compost and everything. So this is totally separate, away from the toilet, and so that doesn't happen. So that's the feature we like as well about the AIR HEAD toilet. The other feature that I really like about this toilet compared to the Nature's Head is this has a much more substantial ring around it, whereas the other one did not when we purchased it. And there's also a seal on the toilet seat itself. So it's not only on the toilet seat, but it is also on the cover. So then you have more of a seal when this is closed. So when this is closed, then the fan can do a better job of sucking out the smells out to the outside of the van itself. And again, this is significantly better. You don't have to take any of this off or lift this up, which you had to do on the Nature's Head in order to get the urine tank out. This one just slides straight out without any difficulty. You just unloosen these, grab the other one, and then literally you hold on to the ring here, which helps tilt it forward, and then you can just pull it right out, just like that. These are definitely the pros. I haven't found any cons with this setup or this toilet compared to the Nature's Head. And so when we build out the new van, we are certainly going to go with another AIR HEAD toilet, and because it's just such a better system. I feel like it's also a better quality with the seals of the ring, and that is why we like the AIR HEAD. Like I said in the beginning of the video, I wanted to quick do a rundown of our toilet for you, since we are building out a new one and thinking about the features and if we need to change anything or want anything different on our new van. And the answer is no, absolutely not. We want to stick with the AIR HEAD toilet, and we'll do that in the next build. So if you guys have any questions, you certainly can leave them in the comments below if you're wondering about composting toilets and how to install them. I do have a video and had taken everything apart on the toilet to show you it completely from the inside and out, but leave your comments below. Thanks for watching our video, guys, and we will see you guys again on the next video. Have a great day.